everyone, this is Biox. Today let's study the diagrammatic representation of recombinant DNA technology. Let's make it easy for you to understand it better. So as you can see that there is a line written just above the diagram, which is when cut by the same restriction enzyme, the resultant DNA fragments have the same kind of sticky ends and these can be joined together using DNA ligases. So if I tell you that the term written is DNA ligases is an enzyme. It's an enzyme. Okay. And let me explain it to you. It says when cut by the same restriction enzyme. It means the enzyme, for example, let's say RE, restriction endonuclease. If we use restriction endonuclease enzyme to both the foreign DNA and the vector DNA, then the resultant DNA fragments we will get will produce same kind of sticky ends. It means if we cut both of the DNA with different restriction enzymes, then it will produce different kind of ends and it will be very difficult to ligate them, to attach them or to stick them. Okay, so if we are cutting both the DNA, the foreign DNA and the vector DNA with the same restriction enzyme, then the resultant DNA fragment will produce same kinds of sticky ends. And what will it do? It will be very helpful, or it will be very easy to ligate, to join both of the fragments of both different DNAs, foreign DNA, vector DNA. It will be very easy to ligate them by using the enzyme DNA ligases. It means the DNA ligase enzyme is responsible to ligate or join both of the DNA. Okay, I hope you got it. So the next thing is, let's study now the diagram. Here we can see there is a foreign DNA and a vector DNA. Vector DNA, you should always remember that in the whole chapter we have used plasmid as a vector DNA. Okay, so we have foreign DNA and a vector DNA. You can see there is written here, same restriction enzyme cutting both foreign DNA and a vector DNA at specific point. It means, as I said earlier, that there is a specific or same enzyme. For example, let's say restriction endonuclease is responsible to cut this foreign DNA and also this vector DNA. It is used in both. So same enzyme is used in both. Then what will it do? It will cut it both of it. And what will happen? Both of them produce same kind of sticky ends. Okay. So what will we do next? We will attach this. Into this. Let me make it more clear. We will attach this here with the help of ligase enzyme. Okay. So as you can see the result here, we attached the foreign DNA and the vector DNA with the help of ligase enzyme, and what happened next? It became a recombinant DNA molecule and it transformed into the host, which is E. coli, and it will start dividing in the host body, within the host body. Okay, I hope you got it. That's for today. Thank you.